Hello guys, once again. So this video is about this vehicle. Like you guys can see. So this is my Peugeot 505. This is 1986 production. So last night on my way home, when somewhere while coming back, I was hearing noise from one of the rear drums. No, one of the rear wheels. So from the symptoms, I suspected what could be the culprit. So when I got home, I jacked this side of the tire. So let me start from here to know whether it's a serious suspect. So I removed this. Immediately I removed the tire, I could feel this was no longer moving. Couldn't turn the tire while the vehicle was lifted up. So I knew it was the brake pad that was probably gone. And so this is this. Eventually I removed the tire, removed this thing. It took a while, to remove the old parts. And so here is the one. This is the one that was making that noise. The other one, not that bad. So I left the car this morning. I quickly went to Mercedes shop. I got new parts. This is the new part. I've already, what I did was I put two new here. Assembly. So two already. The other side is still okay. So maybe a little bit warm, but let me just deal with the one that has already started giving problems. So this is the remaining two. So whenever I have chance, I will swap it in. So these other two, these are the old ones I removed. So why did I go to Mercedes shop? Because in the past I've changed this, like the third time or so. I'm changing this car since 2010. I own this car. So I know in the past I tried to find it in the Peugeot shop. I couldn't. So but I was able to get it in Mercedes shop. So ever since then I only go to Mercedes shop to buy the rear brake pads. So so for those who own Peugeot 504 or Peugeot 505 with rear brake calipers, disc and pads, I would suggest don't even bother searching for it in Peugeot shop for the rear brake pads. Just go straight for Mercedes shop. You'll get it Mercedes Benz shop. This what we call this Mercedes 190. Then there's another brand model of Mercedes that use this. Is the one we call reboot here in Nigeria. I'll put the W codes. I think W12, is it not 123? I think maybe W124 or so. So I'll put the Mercedes codes, model codes on the video description so that you can easily ask for it. Or you just go with the old one. When you go to their shop, they will know immediately which model of Mercedes that uses this part. But if you don't have this part, if not remove it already, all you need is just go to Mercedes shop and tell them either W122. Don't worry guys, I'll put it up in the video description. And so what I'm going to do, this I got it actually cheap, like 4,000 naira. So I'm going to go and buy as many as possible, 3, 4, 5 maybe packs, and keep them as stocked, because it's most likely, just like it has faded out in Peugeot shops, who knows, maybe someday might not even find them in Mercedes shop anymore. So I'll just buy and keep, and I won't touch them. I'll just be buying new. Anytime it fails, I'll try and buy from new shop, go to shop again. So in years to come, if I can no longer get it in the shops, go to Mercedes shop anymore, so I will now resort to the reserve, the ones I kept. So I will buy as many as possible and keep. So far it's working now. As you can see, the wheels are spinning, and I've already checked. Someone has said me press the brake and hold and release and move. So everything is okay now. So yeah, that is it for the 505. I'm going to use it this today, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll advise, like I say, anyone that uses 504, 505 with rear brake disc and caliper parts you know where to source it now, you know. And honestly, this is the best braking system on 504 and 505. They wear this compared to the drum lining, and honestly, love this car. Okay, so see how it goes.